Let's talk about why you don't feel confident and why the real issue isn't confidence at all. It's self trust. Let's break this down in the next 2 minutes. Most people think confidence is a personality trait, it's something that you have or you don't. But confidence is a byproduct of something much deeper, the belief that you can rely on yourself. If you grew up in an environment where your feelings were minimized, your choices were questioned, and you were taught to keep peace rather than expressing yourself, your brain learned that your inner signals weren't dependable. So now, as an adult, hesitation feels safer than choice, silence feels safer than honesty, and overthinking feels safer than action. It's not that you lack confidence, it's just that your nervous system doesn't trust you to protect yourself if things go wrong. Here's where the psychology comes in. Confidence is built through consistency and not perfection. Every time you say you'll do something and follow through, your brain updates its belief about you. It learns that when I commit, I show up. And that's what makes confidence real and not forced. Here's something that you can try today. Choose one tiny action that almost takes no time, a 1 minute tasker, and once you complete it, pause and say, I did what I said I would. This is cognitive reinforcement. You're teaching your brain that your word to yourself matters. Another helpful step is learning to ask yourself, what do you truly want before making a decision or a choice? Not what comforts others, not what avoids conflict, not what avoids discomfort, but what feels true to you. That question reconnects you to the inner voice you learned to mute long ago. Over time, these small moments accumulate and your brain gathers evidence that you're dependable. And when self trust grows, confidence becomes a natural outcome and not something you chase. Confidence isn't built through pressure, it's built through quiet self respect, repeated daily in small, doable ways.